Repeat after me.
We exercise every morning. We exercise every morning. She doesn't drive to work. She doesn't drive to work. He watches TV at night. He watches TV at night. On Sundays, I go to market. On Sundays, I go to market. I visit my grandparents in the summer. I visit my grandparents in the summer. They usually eat fruits and vegetables. They usually eat fruits and vegetables. Our family eats breakfast at 7:30. Our family eats breakfast at 7:30. I have good friends in my life. I have good friends in my life. I drink a lot of water every day. I drink a lot of water every day. Anna goes to yoga on Mondays and Wednesdays. Anna goes to yoga on Mondays and Wednesdays. He visits his parents on Sundays. He visits his parents on Sundays. They rarely work 10 hours a day. They rarely work 10 hours a day. My sister is always happy at work. My sister is always happy at work. I fall asleep easily. I fall asleep easily. We go away for vacation. We go away for vacation. They relax after lunch. They relax after lunch. I'm not active on social media. I'm not active on social media. He doesn't jog after dark. He doesn't jog after dark. We have a purpose in our lives. We have a purpose in our lives. Do you exercise every morning? Do you exercise every morning? Does she drive to work? Does she drive to work? Does he watch TV at night? Does he watch TV at night? Do you go to market on Sundays? Do you go to market on Sundays? Do they visit their grandparents in the summer? Do they visit their grandparents in the summer? Do they usually eat fruits and vegetables? Do they usually eat fruits and vegetables? Does your family eat breakfast at 7:30? Does your family eat breakfast at 7:30? Do you have good friends in your life? Do you have good friends in your life? Do you drink a lot of water every day? Do you drink a lot of water every day? Does Anna go to yoga on Mondays and Wednesdays? Does Anna go to yoga on Mondays and Wednesdays? Does he visit his parents on Sundays? Does he visit his parents on Sundays? Do they rarely work 10 hours a day? Do they rarely work 10 hours a day? Is your sister always happy at work? Is your sister always happy at work? Do you fall asleep easily? Do you fall asleep easily? Do you go away for vacation? Do you go away for vacation? Do they relax after lunch? Do they relax after lunch? Are you not active on social media? Are you not active on social media? Does he jog after dark? Does he jog after dark? Do you have a purpose in your lives? Do you have a purpose in your lives? Why do you exercise every morning? Why do you exercise every morning? When does she drive to work? When does she drive to work? How long does he watch TV at night? How long does he watch TV at night? How do you go to market on Sundays? How do you go to market on Sundays? How long do they visit their grandparents in the summer? How long do they visit their grandparents in the summer? Why do they usually eat fruits and vegetables? Why do they usually eat fruits and vegetables? What does your family eat for breakfast? What does your family eat for breakfast? How many good friends do you have in your life? How many good friends do you have in your life? Why do you drink a lot of water every day? Why do you drink a lot of water every day? What time does Anna go to yoga on Mondays and Wednesdays? What time does Anna go to yoga on Mondays and Wednesdays? How often does he visit his parents? How often does he visit his parents? Why do they rarely work 10 hours a day? Why do they rarely work 10 hours a day? Why is your sister always happy? Why is your sister always happy? When do you fall asleep easily? When do you fall asleep easily? How often do you go away for vacation? How often do you go away for vacation? Why do they relax after lunch? Why do they relax after lunch? Why are you not active on social media? Why are you not active on social media? Who does he jog after dark with? Who does he jog after dark with? How many goals do you have in your lives? How many goals do you have in your lives? Why is consistency important? Why is consistency important? Consistency is important because it is the key to success. Consistency is important because it is the key to success.